Bring it on. Let's see what we can do. Hanging antennas. This is the topic from Tom, Kilo Delta 9, Foxtrot Papa Charlie. Now, he wants to know, should I launch or drone a line over a tree or rent a lift to arrange pulleys? So to kind of put this into context, should I just throw a line over the tree or should I actually get up there and install a pulley system? What says you, Steve-O?
Well, does your tree need a little trimming? Oh. Then I would rent a lift, and then you can.
Yeah, manscaping. Just to let the team know here that manscaping it gets a little.
So if your tree needs a little trimming, you can go rent a lift and then put a pulley up there. But you can launch with the potato gun launcher or slingshot fishing line routine. The drone would be kind of cool, but got to be careful with that one. And so
benefits to the pulley.
Do the lift.
Benefits to the
that
pulley.
Way you can install a pulley up there and kind of get the tree trimmed at the same time, and then clean the windows in the upper floors of your house if you have a 2-story house. So you can use a lift for a lot of things.
Steve,
hey, honey, I got this lift. I'm gonna
wash your windows. That's what you do. I know. That's
by the way,
do.
I'm gonna hang a few pulleys.
So the benefits of the pulley over the rope over the tree, access mostly. Is that the main benefit of a pulley?
Well, you reduce the damage to the tree. If you have a line that is going over the limb, it's going to rub. It's going to cause some damage to the tree. And then the line will deteriorate, and then your line snaps because it got worn down from rubbing, too much rubbing.
Everything sounds wrong. Sherry's, I just want to let you know. For complete episodes, subscribe where you get podcasts and click the bell here on YouTube for features and live streams.